Menteri Rangba Khuborjylla Konrad ke Samla mentakasngi ke arpuhnya utarik uleber hajar arpuh riu ulalet ban penha perda ya ke college week bat kumju ya ke Jingrakhe ya ke diamond jubilee jong ke Synod college Shillong ha ke Jingiaroh kabalalong hamadan student jayau. Menteri Rangba ha bakran ha ke Jingiaroh ulapan kenmau bakumno ke college ke sedang na ibarat bat mentapat kelayo ban ai ke Jingrakhe daki hajar ngut ki Samla puli ke Jilla. Ke Principal jangka college Dr. Shillong hak jingkran kelaya thu ban ningkong ke college ke sedang haus nam khat kendai spa Henry Posan daki sau pulai ngut ki kena Henry mentapat keladan palat lai hajar ngut nadu higher secondary hadu ki graduate bat post graduate na lor ki wei
Today, HIV has become a big problem in our state. And this is something that is preventable. But our youth must take responsibility and act responsibly if we have to control the spread of HIV. Today, Meghalaya faces the challenge of having one of the highest HIV growth rates in the country. Our student organizations will take up this challenge in a positive way to ensure that we come together to fight both the menace of drugs and also to fight the spread of HIV/AIDS. This is the time for you. We must focus on skilling. We must focus on entrepreneurship. We must come out with different models and programs to promote both of these. And as a government, we'll be happy to work with different institutes to promote this. We are already doing it, but we need to do much more. So friends, with these few suggestions and words, I once again wish you all the very best. This must have been a very, very exciting week for all of you. I'm sure all the youngsters will remember this moment and this last 1 week for the rest of their lives. And I hope that you all enjoyed it. But more importantly, I hope that Synod College, the values that it believes in, the Christian faith and the values that it has taught, has made each and every one of you a better person.